Hi, my name is Layla, and today I'm here to talk about a big topic in homeowners associations and condominiums, and that is maintenance. I'm going to go through why maintenance is important, who is responsible for what maintenance in community associations, who pays for what maintenance, and how an online portal can help you manage maintenance requests. So, why is maintenance so important? Maintaining your community association's common areas, sidewalks, gardens, amenities, and the appearance of the buildings or homes keeps residents happy and safe because a well maintained environment doesn't have safety hazards. Also, if everything runs smoothly and looks nice, it increases satisfaction and quality of life in your community. It also increases property values if the community as a whole is clean, well maintained, and looks beautiful. For this idyllic community association to work, residents and the board of directors need to know who is in charge of what. So residents are obliged to maintain their lot in an HOA or unit in a condo, and they have to keep to the association's rules. So normally there are restrictions on colours and what they can add and change to their property. The community association is in charge of all common areas, so amenities, roads, sidewalks, etc. If you're in a townhome community that shares a roof, the board is responsible for maintaining that. In a condo association, the board is also in charge of elevators, lobbies, and the building's exterior. On the whole, the owner of the home pays for maintenance in their property, and the association pays for the upkeep of the rest. However, if a resident damaged an amenity or something in the community, they would be billed to replace it. And if the community was negligent and caused a problem in a property or home, then they could be billed for that. Tracking and managing maintenance requests becomes much simpler with an online portal. Residents can inform the board or committee in charge that the gate isn't working or a light isn't working, and then the board or committee can take action. They can also submit requests easily to the Architectural Request Committee. Could do that online. The status of requests can be changed and it's a more transparent process. It creates more accountability and a request will never get lost again. If you want to learn more about HOA and condo maintenance and how software can help you, there are different links to blog articles in the description. If you're interested in learning about our software, Neigbrs by Vinteum, you'll also find a link to book a free demo there.